Welcome you all. We are the team Spartans and we are going to present our e-commerce business project, which is Dreamtravelo. Since we are living in a digital era, everyone is more likely to use digital platforms to ease up their day-to-day tasks and other activities. Further, businesses are moving forward with e-commerce presence because of the advantages and customer can be served effectively. So we initiated Dreamtravelo as an e-commerce business in order to provide travel solutions. This idea has come from our own experience because most of our team members have been traveling for several years as a hobby. Further, they are all experienced in camping and traveling. So we think this business idea would be ideal for us to initiate effectively. As the new generation seeks to spend their leisure time by traveling and adventures, we could see a market opportunity in that scenario. Customers would be able to buy or rent a wide range of quality equipment as per their requirements. Besides that, we offer pre-planned travel packages and customizable options, and we haven't yet found any business where customers have both options to buy or rent camping gear and to purchase pre-planned travel packages in one place. Our business is based on the B2C business model that allows customers to obtain our services through the website or by contacting via social media. The basic idea of this business model was generated to serve our client base with unique service which they have never experienced before in their life. Since e-commerce business has become one of the popular and efficient methods of doing business, as a team we thought to move forward with a digital presence rather than operating physically. When it comes to customer value proposition, we divide into two parts. Primary value proposition means providing overall traveling solutions to customers in one place by making their dream journey possible with less effort conveniently. Under the secondary value proposition, we offer customized travel packages while effectively engaging with customers. 3 different subscription plans are offered with membership privileges such as discounts, free of charge offers, and gifts. We maintain a relatively lower price compared to our competitors while providing the best equipment and service. We are equipped with both traditional and modern payment methods. Further, we included a frequently asked questions section so that customers can know how before they obtain our service. Since our business relies on the e-commerce presence, the website would be our marketplace. In addition, social media are used to marketing purposes and to keep in touch with our customers. The ability to attract a huge audience through digital presence is the key advantage of using this marketplace. Our target market is domestic travelers who are traveling as their passion. This can be divided into 2 categories. The first category seeks to buy or hire camping equipment and arrange their travel themselves. The second category would be able to make their journey happen with less effort by purchasing pre-planned travel packages.
E-commerce presence strategy and rationalize. As you already know, Dreamtravelo operates as an online business. We make our online presence through our website and social media platforms of Facebook and Instagram. The website consists of user-friendly browsing, easy accessibility, and features like My Account, shopping cart, and wallet facility. Social media are also in use for purchasing items, to distribute product alerts, discounts, and offers to existing and potential customers. This is how we have rationalized our presence in e-commerce platforms. Moving on to competitive environment, analyzing our market segment, we could identify some direct and indirect players who offer likely same product or service to the market. Major direct competitors are camping.lk, travellogic.lk, and camping.lk. Indirect competition is there as individuals who also provide such products or services we offer. But you will see how we gain competitive advantage over them in the next slide. Competitive advantage. The major competitive advantage we have is that we offer overall camping solutions at one hub. A consumer does not have to go elsewhere to fulfill their requirements. That is why we differ from other players in the market. And also, our products are comparatively at lower cost but higher in quality as we only retail branded items. Using pronto delivery service makes shipping process more reliable and fast. No other competitors offer customized camping plans as per customers' demand. We facilitate customers to request their needs from us, and we're going to plan the entire trip for them. They do not need to worry about a thing as we handle everything for them. We have three different payment plans to choose that comes with special member benefits. Those includes discounts, free of charge offers, seasonal gift, etc. Those are the key competitive advantages we possess. Moving on to marketing strategy. By using rich colors and high quality images, specified browsing, providing shipping, cart, and user account facility, we intend to offer a premium website experience to our customers. From that, we wish to gain customer loyalty to the brand Dreamtravelo. And also, we use email marketing to the customers who have already registered on our website by providing their email addresses. Facebook and Instagram marketing are also used to spread seasonal offers, weekend discounts, awareness tips, and also customer support through chatting facility. Attractive posts, short video clips are regularly posted and boosted from time to time for the marketing purpose. Finally, we wish to spread the name of our brand Dreamtravelo by using influencer marketing method. Travel-related social media influencers will be selected and free services will be offered in return promoting our brand to their follow base.
Revenue model. When emphasizing revenue models, we wish to generate income in three different sources. Major income source will be sales revenue generated by doing business. Those are camping accessories rental and retail along with arranging fixed and customized camping packages. Campaign packages will generate cash inflows with higher profit margins. Another source is the subscription plan we have introduced, namely Dreamtravelo Basic, Regular, and Premium. Income is recognized when a customer purchases pricing plan that will be valid for 1 year period, and also a 10% of fine when a damage happens will be collected from the customer. Payment system. Although Dreamtravelo is the online business, there are both traditional and electronic payment facilities that we have introduced to provide payments convenience to customers. Those are namely cash on delivery, online bank transfers, card payments, Dialog Easy Cash, Mcash, and PayPal. Pronto delivery service does cash collection for us, but we do not encourage our customers to use cash on delivery as there is some risk associated with it. PayPal is the most secure and convenient method we have introduced. We ensure payment security and regular cross checks are done. Initial capital need and source of funding. Around 65,000 will be need to start and run the business, including equipment purchasing, web hosting, and social media marketing. Financing will be fulfilled through member contribution and small business loans obtained. Utilizing personal funds will motivate us to give our 100% to business. That's the end of the presentation of business model elements. We will move on to our website demonstration.
Let's move on to our website. This website is our main market space. When a customer visits to the site first, he or she can observe our homepage. Then site menu will visible to get quick access to what they need. Further, customers can create user account, use the login option, which enables them to build long-term relationship with us and get more benefits. They can easily create their account using email address, and after the successful login, they will visible certain options as profile, my subscriptions, my orders, my address, and etc. Then when you scroll down, you will display our vision, mission, and our story, which depict who we are and what we are doing. After that, you will view quick product slider, which includes item varieties what we offer. Through this product slider, customers can easily buy or rent our products. For further details, you can contact us via email, hotline, Facebook, and Instagram. To visit our Facebook page, you just have to click on this icon. This is our Facebook page, and you will get further notifications regarding our offers, new arrivals, latest travel packages, and many other things by following and like us. You have to follow same procedure on Instagram. Also get close to with us. To check our all items, just click on tent and accessories. These are the all items we offer, and check available items for renting or buying. Use the filters. Let's look at what are the available items for renting at the moment. This is where you can get further details regarding an items. You have to select number of days and quantities as per your own requirement. We do not offer our items more than 5 days when renting. These are the available items for buying.
As Dreamtravelo, we were thinking to offer something new to our clients rather than renting and selling the travel equipments to them. So we decided to offer travel package in order to help our clients to plan out their dream tour with the expertise knowledge of our team. In our website, under the tab of packages, you can see that there are inbuilt for travel packages we have mentioned in that. So all entire 4 packages are going under the theme of the outdoor camping to a pretty attractive places in Sri Lanka. So anyone who is interested with these packages, they can click on this package and view the entire detail about this package. And if he is satisfied with this package requirements, he can book this package, or else they can customize this package via contacting our customer service or any member of our team. So when it comes to the customized package tab, there is an option we offer that to our clients where they can customize their tour with us. It means they can customize their meals, their traveling mode, their destinations, everything they can customize, and they can arrange their dream tour with the help of our team. So there is a form to be filled by them, and they have to submit it. Once they submit this form to us, our team member will be contacting them by giving this assistance to him. Under plans and pricing tab, you can see that we have 3 basic subscription plan. It means Dreamtravelo Basic, Dreamtravelo Regular, and Dreamtravelo Premium. So each of these subscription plans having several benefits to our clients. So once they subscribe on this one of these packages, they will be receiving these benefits to them. So the benefits can be viewed as in detail information here. So at last, when it comes to the frequently asked question tab, it is widely important to each and every customer of Dreamtravelo. So they can have in detail view on how they can make payments and how the delivery system is going on in Dreamtravelo, and do we accept return or not, and what are the policies regarding with that, and what are the liabilities about rented items. Very specially, we are basically focusing on the renting items, so the customers need to have the 100% liability on those rented items. So in detail, we can have this frequently asked question tab. And when it comes to the more tab, if someone wants to contact our team for organization, they can directly send us a note by entering their name, email, subject, and message. and just submit it. Once we receive this note, our team will be respond to it as soon as possible. So that's it about Dream Traveler. So hope that you will enjoy your dream tour with us. Thank you.